your WCBI First Alert AccuWeather forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
We've had some great weather here on our Friday. Unfortunately, things will be a little bit more unsettled this weekend. Now, later tonight, early tomorrow morning, you may hear some thunder, see some lightning, hear some rain, maybe some hail too. That's possible later on tonight. And then pop-up storms possible during our Saturday during the heating of the day. It's going to be warm and humid, 70s and 80s. Some of those could be strong. We think the best chance of strong to severe storms, though, probably Saturday evening and Saturday night, as that line of storms will move on through. We'll dry things out by noon on Sunday. Let's enjoy this evening. 77 degrees, a live view with our Bank First camera in downtown Columbus. It is going to be great for the next couple of hours. 78 for you at Durham's in Vernon. Fantastic weather here as we close out the work week. Going down to Louisville, Mississippi, 79 degrees. And how about Tupelo, 77. Fantastic weather here on our Friday. So across the Twin States, we're doing quite well. 70s across the board, not too shabby. The air is pretty dry locally, 40s and 50s as far as the dew point. The darker green, very tropical. There's a warm front down to the south, and that's lifting north, and that soupy air mass will come back on in here, and that will give us the opportunity for some rain and storms later on tonight. We have some clouds here, but the showers and storms are blossoming along that frontal boundary to our south, and that will be lifting back to the north later on tonight. So really after midnight, a chance for some showers and storms, maybe a little bit of hail with some of those stronger storm cells. Not everyone will see it. You may hear some thunder, see some lightning, hear some of that rainfall. So we're in this level 1 severe weather threat for very late tonight, early tomorrow morning, mainly for a little bit of hail somewhere here in North Mississippi. Now, tomorrow, primarily during the afternoon and evening, we've got a 1, 2, 3 level threat here. We think wind and hail, the main threats once again, in addition to some very heavy rainfall. With this setup, the overall tornado threat is going to remain on the low end of the spectrum. We'll watch radar tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, but at this point, that looks to be on the lower tier of our threats. Of course, we'll watch it closely. Out ahead of that, 70s and 80s, warm and humid tomorrow with a southerly flow. It's going to be very tropical here for late March. The warm front, here it comes later on tonight, kicking off some of those storms by sunrise. And then we may start to see some of those pop-up storms during this very warm and humid air mass tomorrow. Tomorrow evening, though, we'll watch the northwest, and showers and storms may blossom in Arkansas and Tennessee and then migrate our way sometime late in the evening and overnight. That could be more of a wind and heavy rain threat as it comes on in with the cold front, but we will watch everything all weekend long. Much cooler, much more stable by Sunday afternoon. Let's check out your AccuWeather 7-day forecast early next week. Pretty good Monday and Tuesday, 60s and 70s. More rain possible Wednesday and some storms, and then much cooler, upper 50s to low 60s late next week.